Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unblock contact in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to unblock contact in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, in order to unblock a contact, first we'll be required to tap on the more button, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here you can see the settings available for us on this panel. Just above my notes, tap on settings, and over here again tap on privacy, which is the second option, and you'll be required to scroll down from over here to the bottom of the list where you can find the block list available for us. Over here tap on block list, and you will be able to find all of the blocked contacts on your Viber over here. Now in order to unblock a certain contact, tap on the unblock button at the right side of the contact whom you want to unblock, and with that being done, guys, that person will be unblocked on Viber. And there, guys, is how to unblock contact in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.